Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Vartika and today I'm up with 17 tips to look sexy without wearing short clothes. Well, I've always believed that looking sexy is all about your personality and does not particularly depend on the length of your clothes. A lot of girls think that it is tricky to look sexy without wearing short clothes, which I must say is not at all true. So, here I am to help you out with this dilemma today. Without any further delay, let's get to the video and see how it goes. So the first tip that I have for you people is wearing mesh. A lot of us are not comfortable in wearing bralettes or really revealing tops. So in such cases, mesh can be really useful as it gives hints of sexiness without showing a lot of skin. So the next tip is animal prints. Animal prints, if most of you must not know, animal prints are very sexy and they give really a wild and statement look to your entire getup. So when in doubt, use animal prints. They are amazingly sexy and they give a very bossy and classy look to the entire attire. Next up is a plain white shirt. Now, I believe that the power of a white shirt is generally very underestimated, but I must say that it is one of the most essential commodities of every girl's closet and look supremely classy and sexy. Now, the next tip is lace. Lace, I also believe, is not really taken as a statement of sexiness, but I must say that lace is really useful when you need to look sexy without showing a lot of skin because the sheer look that it gives is really feminine and makes you look gorgeous. Oh, red. This is one of the easiest ways to look sexy without wearing short clothes. Red color in itself adds so much of boldness and fierceness to our entire personality and makes us look on point every time. The next tip that I have for you people is wearing a pencil skirt. Pencil skirts are very useful because they hug you at the right places and makes the entire body look curvaceous and gorgeous. Next tip is wearing a skinny jeans. Skinny jeans like pencil skirt is very useful because it hugs the body at the right places and gives your body a very nice finished look. Another tip that I have for you people is wearing satin tops and satin shirts. Now satin is a fabric which does not only look feminine but also slightly hugs the curves and gives an overall good shape to the body and makes the entire look very beautiful. So next is a bodycon dress. I think we all know how sexy bodycon dresses look. A full sleeves long bodycon dress is as sexy as a small strappy dress. So if you're really someone who does not want to wear a revealing outfit, bodycon dresses is your pick. Now, a lot of people feel that leather is a total winter thing and is not meant for summers. Well, let me tell you, that is not at all true. It looks as stunning in summers as in winters. You just need the right pick and it will make you look out of the box and it will add a lot of statement to your outfit. Next tip that I have for you people is denim. Now, denim is a very underestimated outfit when it comes to sexiness and people really feel that it is totally for a cool and casual outfit. But let me tell you that if chosen the right piece and if worn in the right way, denims look absolutely sexy and they are so stunning for a summer outfit. Another tip that I would give you is wearing a sequins outfit. Sequins adds a lot of flashiness to your outfit and does not necessarily need to be revealing. A good and covered sequins outfit is as good as a revealing outfit, so it will add a lot of glamour to your outfit and make you look completely attractive and amazing. Stockings is another very useful piece of outfit when you don't want to expose your legs. All you have to do is pick up a nice pair of stockings, pull them on, and yes, your legs are covered and you look smoking hot at the same time. Sari is another piece of clothing which looks very sexy but is often underestimated or overlooked by people when they think about wearing something sexy. What they don't realize is that it wraps around our bodies so well and gives us a perfectly feminine look. Red lipstick is the easiest and most effortless way to look sexy without wearing short clothes. The next and the most important tip is grooming. Without this, all the other ones are almost next to useless. It is all about your postures, the way you present yourself, walk, talk, sit, the way you combine the accessories with your outfits. Everything needs to be perfect and appropriate, not loud, not less, just appropriate. Your makeup, your purses, the way you combine creatively your purses with your outfit, your footwear, your nails need to be done properly. These are all the tiny details that are very, very important when you are dressing up. Your hair needs to be appropriate. You need to make sure that the entire look that you have put forward is perfect. I've always felt that footwear is the exclamation point of one's outfit. Hence, heels and boots are very, very useful to bring a hint of sexiness to your outfit. It just brings a slight push and very sensuousness to your outfit and makes you look overall very, very appealing and attractive. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comment section below if you found this video useful, and I guess I'll see you all next time. Bye bye.